NFTs for beginners. Passive income. The NFT ecosystem is ideal for safeguarding scarcity and establishing ownership of both digital and physical coins. This technology provides digital creators with viable alternatives for monetizing their work, as well as the flexibility that traditional creative business models typically lack. Attaching digital material to the blockchain as a non-fungible token makes it safe and simple to sell it online. NFT. Artists may make NFTs and receive unrestricted support from a global community of collectors. On NFT markets like OpenSea, the number of users has grown tremendously in recent years. Dune Analytics is a service for registered users who have completed at least one transaction. According to Statista, the most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea, has sold over 10 billion in NFTs since its inception. The following are the largest NFT markets in terms of all-time sales volume. CryptoKitties was one of the first NFT ventures to gain traction in early 2018. The game gained a lot of traction in a short period of time, especially after word broke that record-priced CryptoKitties were being sold on the blockchain. Someone sold a CryptoKitty for $172,000 at some time. On the Ethereum blockchain, this resulted in a congestion. It also highlighted the network's inefficiencies and inability to grow. Since then, the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has grown exponentially. For a newbie, NFTs might be intimidating. Fortunately, there are several good NFT tools available to help with the process. This makes it much easier to find and explore undervalued NFTs. Anyone interested in becoming an NFT artist must have a vision and be creative. It's worth building an NFT even if you're not as good as Leonardo da Vinci, but have a lot of ideas. This may be a fantastic place to start for artists who have a lot of people-like works that are just waiting to be sold as NFTs in their digital studio. The creation of an NFT does not have to be difficult, costly, or technical. Art is the most popular form of NFT. Artists may use digital artwork in the form of these one-of-a-kind assets to sell their best work online. Digital art makes up a large portion of the most valuable NFTs currently accessible. Some NFT artists have sold their work for astronomical sums that rival actual works of art. The digital artwork Everydays by Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, was purchased by an NFT collector for $69.3 million, making it the most expensive NFT in history. Christie's auction house was in charge of the sale.